don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. London Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by the blind crew.
I was Tibo.
Kambani jam.
Ukraine.
I'm Nandi man.
Hey, besibona igame emnandi. Hey, Sundowns base I think base solid fanda.
Sure.
From inside la umdibo, ulayide ngumndawo.
Yeah.
Nomkwena beyibalance. Umndawo nomrena beyibalance.
Yabo
zothiwa manje takhona ukumaka.
Sure.
Umndawo yakhona ukumaka, umrena yakhona ukumaka. I think ubalance la side.
Sure.
Umrene begrandi.
Yeah.
Umrembule bemnandi,
Sure.
undamani.
Yeah.
I think amachite yanka performance je solid blind yeah perform grand. Ay but uLeon ke uLeon vele wathatha iAmstel watheli Orlando yonke nje kanje then asala amadoda aphathwa kwakhuphuka iblood pressure yaphezulu yeah baphuza abadakwa basale FNB
yeah uLeon equality
loya mfethu ma 57 yabona mawuhlanganisa 5 ne7 is keep it 12 bese kuphuma ijezi lakhe Khaligulu njalo
okay iPioneer na iplay 57M
for sure 57 rand umbuthuma
57 rand umbuthuma itolela sandawana yathelela sandawana
for sure hiyo nje edurayo
bese low blow sandawana sobona ibone kanjani
mfutano igame emnandi top of the table clash and angifuni ukubasukela amabhakane hey ngaze ngibe nenkinga but no ngaze ngibe nenkinga but the game again my bro hats off to the Sundowns technical team again.
Sure.
Because what they did, they played on the psychology of Orlando Pirates.
True.
If you check the first half, Sundowns were happy to play at the back.
Sure.
And they knew that as time went on, Pirates will get comfortable. I mean, Pirates is a team that is high on confidence at this point.
That's true.
So if you're playing a Sundowns that is sitting at the back and not coming at you, you grow in confidence to say, win the game. And that's what Pirates did. They started throwing numbers forward.
Sure.
And they were caught short at the back.
Sleepy.
And you know, Magna Bullion, the chances of survival are very slim. Next to impossible. Next to impossible.
None.
Yeah, so, and again, the mistake that Uadu did is that he banked on the past performance. Pirates. You look at the past 3 games, good MTN 8 and the league. Sundowns was struggling to deal with pace and the intensity of player Pirates.
Sure.
So Uadu was banking on that. That is why Akale Ngomurimi ngaphandle. Because he wanted to use his pace in the second half.
Sure.
But it was too late.
Very late.
But in the Sibonile Njayamuti, when the sun goes down, the ghost goes down.
That's cruel, Sopo. Because you're going to join. Can this boga spoken sugu? What is boga sugu? Let's boga sa. Because you're going to join.
Game in eliminate game.
Sure.
First 30 minutes, Pirates in dominator. Pirates in the Sonnet South Tomaga Mbotoma. Mbotoma and as a qualifier Toma game. And then but it is a mistake. And then last 15 minutes, almost Sundowns Tomila dominated. And Leona Zanga is the mistake. About Bonisa the mistake, the chance of toting in first 30 minutes. WD Berekis is an Berekis in 15 minutes.
Sure.
Well, what? Other Leonomnat, Marek, I'm level is fucking. I'm fucking much like I next season. Europe and One leader from experience. So bonsa the players don't know why the president amatuki.
Yes.
The president who leader from experience. And then Williams Williams Seville Sundowns. And then next week diaboya man.
Yeah.
Next week, 28
Remetio.
Mar no ra tshwana. But la botsa defense tsa Pirates or no.
Sure.
Nonyane a fofa go dimo ma metsino a mo fatshe. But ba re tsheha gre weekend. No ra tshwana no.
Coffee.
Tupa.
Yeah.
Tupa Brastivo.
Tupa everywhere.
Ile dile
So what you told?
So we told ma the weekend o tswa rona bya.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
That's one.
It comes up before ke batla man of the match in Chaka. Man of the match before you
my man of the match always it will go to Brian Leon. You know, that is the culture of South African football. You convert important goals in a game, obviously they will give you man of the match. But all in all, it was a great game, fantastic game full of intensity, energy. You know, it was a game that you can tell that it's number 1 and number 2. And Sundowns, they are really chasing, you understand? So it was a beautiful game in the eyes of the spectators. So we really enjoyed the game.
All right. Ya Kolia Leon.
Re tswalla man re di a dilo tšedi so e ke re pa le a tseba. Okay, right comes the commentator Ntsibe Gobeki Goba insizwe imnyama Gobeki Goba manyana let's cut. Okay, right. Comes at the commentator Nsimbi Igobeki Goa ezinye Nsimbi Nsizwe Mnyama Igezi ya Polecha Boncha Gabutsefela Lebala ile FNB First National Bank Khanka Ijankhawana Mapelo Ojasarati Skhatelo Asarati Stopasa Orlando Pirates Boncha Gabutsefela ba kitimile ba tswile Amstel Arena ba tlile gona mo FNB ba tlhakanetša sona Stopasa Mamelodi Sundowns bona sipotšentla tšia bolo o tšabtlhabele jibel botlo tšia bolo o bia mo tsileng ya man o bia tsileng ya seema bona bona siema tlatšia bolo e bia garrampa le botlo e kry-a mane Patrick Tito Maswanganye bona Patrick Tito Maswanganye o bia tseleng ya president ya ma 2000 wa itshwara ka dilaga la artificial intelligence o tlatšia bolo re bona o tla bia mo tseleng ya mane o bia tseleng ya Mbuthuma bona Mbuthuma e bia tseleng ya Patrick Tito Maswanganye bona Patrick Tito Maswanganye tselela gare le box wa tselela Kulumandebana o tšea bolo wa itshwara Ronwen William tlatšia bolo Ronwen William o bia mo tseleng ya Motau bona Motau o ralka bolo etelle Motau o ralka le yena Mokwe bona Mokwe o tla ralka bolo etelle o bia mo tseleng ya Modiba bona Modiba o tlatšia bolo wa lebella ra kae bia kae o tšea Modiba o ralka scoreboard se botse o bia mo tseleng ya Brilliant Silo sakusaseka ziyabuya mudabini mose mutu asina moya muleli ahina moya muleli Orlando Pirates silo sakusaseka zakopa Orlando Pirates